Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to track expenses and items by customer on QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and track expenses and items by customer. How do you actually go ahead and set that up? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on this gear icon. Then you want to click on account and settings. Once you click on account and settings, you want to click on expenses on the left hand side. And then this is the really important step, guys. Where it says track expenses and items by customer, you want to click on this pencil icon and then make sure that this is toggled off or on. So for our example, we're just going to leave it toggled on. Then click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and track expenses and items by customer on QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.